So any idea what is cash discount? Do we have cash discount in picture in the company? Anyone? So cash discount is something kind of offer that a vendor would give to us if we are paying an amount in a specific time. Suppose that vendor gave me net 30 days as the terms of payment. I can pay it in 30 days. If an invoice is for $1,000, he gave me time like I can pay it in 30 days. And also he said like if you pay within 10 days, I'll give you 10% discount. Okay, if you pay within 10 days, I'll give you 10% discount. That's what he said. So then what happens? If you pay before within 10 days or settle the amount within 10 days, you can only pay $900. So $10 you will have your, I mean 10%, right? So $900. So you will have $100 as your discount. So again, how this discount will be accounted, which accounts will come into picture, we will discuss now in the cash discounts part. So whenever you are creating an invoice, you can directly apply cash discount code to the invoice so that discount day as well as discount amount will be calculated automatically. So let's see how we can create cash discount codes in Dynamics on the accounts payable side. Actually, cash discount codes are common on accounts payable and accounts receivable. Both are shared. If you create here, they are also available in accounts receivable module. So here I'm in accounts payable. Again, under payment setup, I can see cash discounts, accounts payable, payment setup, cash discounts. Select cash discounts. So you can click on new. So I can create cash discount code like 10%, 10 days. If we pay in 10 days, I'll give 10% cash discount. That's what it meant. So 10%, 10 days. Next discount code is an option that we have. I'll explain this in a while. I'll come back to this point. So here, how system will know that it is 10% 10 days? You just gave a name here, but you have to define the conditions here. So again, you have these options: net, current month, current quarter, cutoff day, and everything. But most commonly used are net only. Most commonly used net 10 days, right? I told you net 10 days. So paying in 10 days, 10% discount. So you can give the discount percentage here. If you pay in net 10 days, 10% discount will be applicable. Okay. Until now it is okay. But you have to give these two accounts, main account for customer discounts and main account for vendor discount. Any idea what will be the entry when we post a vendor discount? Let me show you that entries here. Initially, as a finance functional consultant, it's accounts payable will be normally credited and expense account will be debited when you does the invoice. So this is the invoice entry. Let's assume this is for 1000 and this is also for 1000. Okay, when you're making a payment, you have a cash discount. Okay, payment entry that I'm doing here. Accounts payable will be, there is a 10% cash. Suppose accounts payable will be debited for 900.
Debit.
Bank account will be credited for 900. Right? So then what about the cash discount and what about that remaining 100 that we have here? Anybody can say the entry for it. Discount will be debited and bank will be credited for 100. If I'm doing this, see from my bank account 900 was credited earlier, another 100 is being credited. So totally I'm losing 100 from my bank, right? So where is my discount? If I'm paying totally 1000 itself, 900 plus 100, total 1000, then I'm paying a full amount on the invoice, right? So this is not a correct entry. So what else is a correct entry? Any guess? Normally, what happens when we receive a discount? Is it a profit to us or loss to us when it's a vendor cash discount? vendor cash discount is a gain. So what happens to the gains in business, debited or credited? Gains, revenues, incomes are debited or credited? $100 because we are getting that discount of $100. So if this is getting credited, which account will get debited parallelly to this? Any idea? If it is a credit, then there should be an account with debit also, right? Definitely. So what is that debit account? Same accounts payable account that will get debited for 1000. See, you have to pay on the invoice to the vendor accounts payable $1000 directly. Okay, you are paying $1000, out of which 900 is going from your bank account. Another 100 is you're not paying. Vendor gave you that discount, so that discount is recorded as a credit against the that $1000. So the total invoice is getting settled. The $1000 invoice is getting settled, but with only 900 of bank amount, but another 100 of discount that you have received. So 900 is reduced from the invoice amount that you have to pay, or the liability is reduced as a revenue, and another 900 is paid against the invoice. So this will be the entry. So actually, I mean, this will be the entry. Accounts payable will be debited for 1000. Bank account is created for 900, and vendor cash discount account is created for 100. So this is the entry during the payment. Clear this for all of you? Any confusion in this? So it's a revenue or gain for us, vendor cash discount, benefiting to us. So that is why we are crediting it all the time. Instead of liability, we are reversing a liability and we are converting it as a revenue, since we are not going to pay that liability. Clear, guys? Any confusion in this entry? It's a very simple entry. So for this purpose, this account should automatically come in picture, right? Vendor cash discount account. So for that purpose, we have to give the accounts here: customer cash discount account and vendor cash discount accounts here and here. So I'll create those accounts quickly, two accounts. Click new. So it's a revenue account, right? Vendor cash discount. So I'll select a revenue number, 4 lakh 6 something like. Okay. I'll select another series, 400 100. Vendor cash discount, say revenue. Then I'll create one more, 500 100. Customer cash discount, it's a expense. So save it. I created two main accounts now. So for vendor cash discount, I'll give that account 400 100. Customer cash discount, I'll give that account 500 100 here. And for vendor cash discounts here, 400 100. So this is how 10% 10 days. So I'll create one more code. So I'll give 5% discount if, I mean, vendor will give me 5% discount if I pay in 20 days. Okay, 5% 20 days. Then I can give the discount principal here as net days only, and net 20 days, and discount that the vendor is going to give me is 5. And I can select the same accounts here: customer cash discount account and vendor cash discount account. Actually, we give customer cash discount and vendor cash discount here because you can use the same codes in accounts receivable module also. Actually, or you can create separately, but both of them will be applicable or will be available. If you create here, they will be available in accounts payable accounts receivable module also. So that is why we have two discount codes here. If you are using it on the customer side, this will come into picture. If you are using it on vendor invoices, on payment of vendor invoices, this will come into picture: vendor discount main account. Okay, this is how we can create one more. Suppose if I want to create one more, like 3%, 30 days. If you are paying in 30 days, so you will give a 3% discount. So you can say next discount code, not next discount. I'll just select net 30 days. If you're paying in 30 days, you will get 3% discount. So again, I can give same accounts. So this is how we can create discount codes. So next discount code is an option where here, if I go for 10%, 10 days, suppose if I'm not paying in 10 days, vendor says that if you pay in 20 days also, there is one more offer. So then I'll select this one, 20 days, 5%, which means like if I miss paying it in 10 days, I'll have this offer again, 20 days, 5%. So both of them are applicable. If there is a $1,000 invoice, if I'm paying in 10 days, I'll give a 10% discount. But if I missed it 10 days and if I pay before 20 days, suppose after 10 days and before 20 days, I'll have 5% discount. Again, here also I can give another code, 30 days code. So if I pay in 30 days, I'll get 3% discount. So I have three stages of cash discount. Paying in 10 days, I'll get 10% discount. Paying in at least in 20 days, I'll get 5% discount. Or if I miss that also, paying it after 20 days within 30 days, I'll get 3% discount. So I can give that next discount codes in such a way for each code. So if I miss 10% 10 days, the next discount code is available is this one. Or if I miss this one also, the next discount code available is this one. For this, I'm not giving any other next discount code. That's how. Other than this, you can separately create another discount codes also, your wish. Your wish is like you can create any discount code like something like 4% 1 month. You can say 4% 1 month. You can give net 1 month here, and you can give discount percentage as 4 months. And 500 100, then 400 100. So it's up to you. You can create as many as you wish. 2%, 1%, 1.5%, 0.5%. You can create. You can also create something like 0.5%. 60 days something. I'll create. And then I can give net 60 days here. Here I'll give 0.5%. Same account. I can give as many as I wish. Now let's try to apply this to a vendor invoice journal and see how the discounts are being calculated. I'll try it quickly. Just give me 10 more minutes. Vendor invoice journal. Go to lines. Select a vendor. Tata company. Invoiced it as of 1st of November. I'll just give it as 49. Okay, credit him for 10,000. Suppose offset account I'll select as 5. Some expense account. And select the invoice posting details of 1st of November. No problem. That could be any date, but it depends on the invoice date only. See here, I'm giving terms of payment for this as net 2 months. Okay, net 2 months is the terms of payment. So 1st of November is my due invoice date and 1st of January is my due date. Net 2 months I gave the terms of payment for this invoice. I can also give cash discount code here beside itself. So here I can select cash discount code. Suppose if I select cash discount code of this one 4% 1 month, let's see example. If you are paying in 1 month in the sense on or before 1st December 2021, if you are paying, you will get a cash discount of 400. That's what it meant to say. Okay, if you are paying it in 1 month, you will get a cash discount of 400. If you are paying it in 60 days, suppose you have this one 0.5 60 days, then you have, if you are paying it on or before 31st December 2021, due date is 1st January, but if you are paying it in this particular year, you will still get $50 discount. But if you're paying it on 1st of January, you don't get anything. So 1 day before if you pay, you'll get $50 discount. You can see the cash discount date also here. So here, if I save it, so it will show up here once posted the invoice. Okay, this cash discount option. I'll show you that one as well. I can also select this one, 10% 10 days. See if I am paying it in 10 days. Here is 1st of November, right? On or before 11th of November, if I am paying it, I can get a cash discount of $1,000 if I apply this cash discount code, or if this is applicable. Can also give this one 20% 5 days. So on or before 21st November 2021, if I'm paying, I'll get 500 cash discount. This one. Or can also say 50%, right? So this one, on or before 30 days, if I'm paying before 1st of December 2021, I'll get $300 discount. So this is of, see, for this code, I think we have next discount code, right? For 10% 10 days. I'm applying this one and I'll save it. Okay, let me see here. So I don't see anything here. Now I'll post this invoice. Suppose I'm applying this 10% 10 days code. If I'm paying before 10 days, I'll get $1,000 discount. Other than this, behind this, I have another next discount codes. So if I go to cash discount now, I can see here. If I'm paying on or before 11th of November 2021, I can see I can get $1,000 cash discount, and I have to pay only 900 against the 9,000 against the 10,000 invoice. If I'm paying within 20 days, you can see 21 November 2021. In net 20 days, I'll get $500 discount, which is 5%. If I'm paying it in 30 days before 1st December 2000 or 1st December 2021, I'll get $300 discount, 3% 30 days code. So this is the feasibility of having next discount code. If I miss this one, I can avail this one. If I also miss this one, I can avail this one. And if I miss this one as well, so due date, if after this until due date, you don't get any discount. You have to pay straight 10,000 on the invoice. So that's how this next discount codes will work. So clear guys for all of you, I mean how discount is being applied. So if on the same invoice, I'll try to make a payment for this Tata company only, and let's see how it will get applied. So if I click on you, it will select the account. So Tata company, suppose, and go to settle transactions. We have this invoice right here, 49, invoice number 49. I'm selecting this one. Okay, so in 1 second, I'll just deselect this one and go okay. Let's say I'm paying it on 10th of November. Okay, 10th of November I'm paying it. Let's assume. Now I'll go to settle transactions and select it. Select it and click on OK. So your cash discount date, it is showing 11th, right? See here. You're only paying 900 because you got this cash discount actually. Got this cash discount of 1,000. If you are paying before 11th of November, you will get discount of 1,000, right? You have to pay only 900. So directly it is taking 900 into debit. Debit in the sense you are only paying 900. And if you would change the date here again, so it will again change the cash discounts. So suppose if I delete this line, create a new line for 20th of November 2021. Okay, same vendor. Go to settle transactions. Go to the same invoice. But now you can see cash discount date is showing as 21/11/2021 when I select that date, because that 11th November date is already crossed, right? So it's showing the next discount date. So if I select this one, here you can see payment that you are going to make is 9,500. Cash discount is you are getting is 500. That's what. Can select the same. here. You are going to pay 9,500. 500 will be the discount. Okay, then you can also delete this one. And one more is right, 1st of December, before 1st of December if I'm paying. So I'll select that one, 1st of December date for payment. 1st of December payment date. Select the vendor, same vendor, select the transaction. Here you see automatically the cash discount date is 1st December 2021. So that's the last date, right? 1st December 2021 is what we have. So when you select this one, you can see 9,700 is what you're going to pay and discount is 300. So these are also details related to discount actually. You can see 300 discount. Click on OK. And you can see 9,700 here. If you're paying any day after December 1st, you don't get any discount. So that also we'll see and we'll end up. Let's see. So I'll just select any day after this 2nd of December 2021. Go to this Tata company, settle transactions. See here, you don't have any cash discount. So it's showing cash discount date or due date as same actually. If you select this, see you're paying total 10,000, no more cash discount, no cash discounts. So that's how you can, or that's how the mechanism works if you apply cash discounts and make payment. Suppose if I make payment now for 10th of November itself, so okay, go to settle transactions, select that invoice. So here I can see cash discount date is 11th November 2021. 9,000 is what I have to pay and 1,000 will be my cash discount that I receive. So I'll click on OK. So I can see 9,000 here. I can select a bank account or a cash account to pay this. I'll select a bank account. Select an offset account as ICICI Bank suppose. And I can post it here. So vendor is debited or accounts payable account is debited for 9,000 and bank account is credited for 9,000 here. 1,000 should be my cash discount and let's see how the cash discount entry will get posted. Now if you see the voucher here, you can see accounts payable is debited with 9,000, bank account is credited with 9,000. Okay. And you can see here in the 3 dots, you can see all related vouchers option here, the corner. If you click on all related vouchers, you can see this one again. Accounts payable is debited for 1,000 and cash discount is created for 1,000. So since cash discount is a revenue or gain for you, it is credited for 1,000 and accounts payable account is debited for 1,000. So totally accounts payable is reversed or debited with 1,000, 10,000. Sorry, 9,000 plus 1,000. Whereas through your bank you paid only 9,000 and another 1,000 is accounted as a revenue or a vendor cash discount. So it's an automatic voucher which is posted automatically. This account is taken from the cash discount code that you have given. So in this cash discount codes we have given, right? This one we have applied. Here you have the main account. So it is taken from this place. This account 400, 100. And accounts payable account anyway will be taken from the invoice. I mean for the same vendor, the whatever account is there, that account will be selected. So this is how we'll get the entry. So that the same that I have explained you earlier. Accounts payable is debited with 10,000, bank account is created with 9,000, vendor cash discount account is created with 1,000. The same. I mean I am combined it here, 9,000 plus 1,000, totally 10,000, 9,000 plus 1,000. So clear guys for all of you how discounts are being applied.